Hey guys, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here with Jeremy from New Holland Overland. Welcome, Jeremy.
Thank you.
Thanks for hanging out with me. We are at MOORE Expo 2022, and we're standing in front of his awesome Tacoma and his booth. I'm just going to have him tell us all a little bit about New Holland Overland, kind of what they do, what they sell, and give you guys a good idea of what they're all about.
Absolutely, yeah, thank you. New Holland Overland is a custom overlanding shop based in Holland, Michigan. So we do everything from building toppers. We do a lot of small bracketry for people. We can do custom sliders, skid plates. If you want a custom windsock, we can do that too. We do a lot of custom stuff, as well as represent a lot of amazing brands such as All Pro Off-Road, Lifesaver, Garmin, Baja, whatever you need to outfit your vehicle, we can do that, as well as we lead a lot of group trips in Michigan. So we do a lot of stuff from Lower Peninsula to Upper Peninsula and get you out in the backwoods.
Yeah, awesome. Well, hey, thanks so much for telling us about everything, Jeremy. Good to see you again.
Good to see you too.
And go down in the description below and check out New Holland. I'll have links to all their stuff down there. Again, huge thanks to Jeremy for hanging out with me at MOORE Expo. I've seen this guy, seen his business for the last couple of years at the CORE event up in the Upper Peninsula. Seen him at MOORE Expo. Just really cool stuff, like really unique, smart design on some of the custom stuff that he makes. So definitely go down in that description. Check out the links to everything that he's got. His website's awesome. Really great guy, really great company. So highly recommend checking him out. I hope that was helpful info for you. If it was, make sure to click that like button. If you're not already, make sure to click that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified when new videos drop. I go to expos like this all the time. I go overlanding. I do a ton of do-it-yourself, budget-minded mods, just general overlanding stuff. I've got a podcast linked in the description below, Facebook, Instagram, a newbie overlanders group on Facebook. If you're newer to overlanding and you want to not get beat up by everybody on the big, huge groups, definitely check that group out as well. But again, thanks to Jeremy for hanging out with me. Go check out New Holland, and we will see you guys next time. Now that you've learned a little bit about New Holland Overland at the MOORE Expo 2022, you should also check out these two videos because those are also from the MOORE Expo 2022 and they are also awesome companies. Check them out.